MPI is proud to observe National Skilled Trades Day to celebrate our hardworking team. We are grateful to all of our employees who choose this skilled trades path career and contribute to the success as the leading manufacturer of metal control solutions. We have a talented pool of machinists, welders, repair technicians, metal fab operators, logistic coordinators, and engineers. Last year, during the COVID-19 healthcare crisis, MPI was deemed as a critical infrastructure supplier. We followed safe work protocols for all of our employees, as we do today. We remained operational and adjusted to the increased manufacturing workloads that were vital to these industries, such as transportation, food, and healthcare. We recently celebrated our manufacturing team for celebrating 7 years without a lost time accident while navigating these COVID protocols. Thank you, team, for all of your hard work. You really lead by great examples. Observing National Skilled Trades Day is important to MPI. We hope that more youth realizes the importance of your expertise and how it relates to our economy. The MPI culture fosters innovation and education. We thank you as MPI continues to invent, engineer, manufacture, and service magnets, material handling, and electronic inspection systems for thousands of domestic and international companies.